So we're doing a
look.
unit study.
We had one of these in the front yard. Mom did a video.
And we are still doing birds, kind of going a little back and forward with.
Review, kind of.
Not really, but go ahead. We're looking to see if we can find this bird in the book here. Let's show what book we're using.
We're using
The
the
KD.
Yeah.
I mean DK.
DK.
And I love this company. They also have
the animal book, a visual, encyclopedia of the life on Earth.
Very good.
Thank you.
Okay.
I just saw this peacock. It's on the same thing. We have to turn it because I don't see the bird.
Okay, let's turn it.
Common quail. Dad likes to eat quail sometimes.
Yeah.
I don't like that.
So let's
Pigeons
see.
and doves. That's not.
So yeah, that you don't think that's a dove? No, not or a pigeon.
It doesn't look like.
So these are different types of. Ooh, look at this pigeon.
Ooh,
That is
I like
pretty.
that.
But it kind of looks.
It might be where it can like dance. Because some birds can dance to attract mates.
Yeah. Like a what?
Like ballet.
No, what bird dance? Do you know any?
I don't know.
What about the one we just saw on this page? This one.
All it does is
Open up.
out. It shows out with its tail. It shows out.
Okay, you can sit down.
So
She gotta do her illustration. That's good. And he make that weird noise. But excuse me, you guys.
It was looking for a mate down here, I guess.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. Can we find that bird?
Oh,
So you said it's not a pigeon.
One day I saw a peacock running across the street.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It was like, oh, let me hurry up and get out of this road.
Okay, so you said it's not a pigeon or a dove. So should we turn the page?
Yeah.
Make sure we don't skip one. We don't know if we're going to find it, but
Parrot and
cockatoos.
cockatoos. Is that the? Oh, look! In this one, look.
The parrot.
It's the same one.
It's a beautiful bird.
Oh, this is another parrot.
Yeah, these are.
I saw one of our
So it's hard to find this bird, isn't it?
Parrot.
So we know it's not a parrot. I have some stuff right here on this table. I gotta move. Okay, we're gonna do a project.
Ooh, look at this one. That's
For
a
those
parrot, I think. Chuckles and turquoise. I've never heard of them.
Okay, let's see if we find. You just didn't know the name, but let's see. Do we see this bird on here?
Yes.
This bird here. He looks like what?
Wait.
Let's look at what's around him, so we maybe have an idea where he likes to hang out at.
That looks like maybe the ocean.
Yeah. Okay. So we might find him.
Floor.
Okay. Very good. I'll put this over here so we don't lose that.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
I said okay, and you said okay. Look, this is the Great Roadrunner, but I don't think it's that one.
Okay, so
The Roadrunner lives in the desert.
Okay. Ooh, look at that one there.
Ooh, that's beautiful. I think this one dances to attract me.
It looks like it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So
owls.
So do you think it's in the owl family? Okay, so we're gonna turn the page.
But I like.
They're beautiful.
Yeah. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one.
Yeah.
You got a little bit.
We
of red
saw this
and
one, I
orange
think, at the Somewhere we saw this bird. I can't remember.
Barn owl.
Yeah, it's cute.
I think it's a different type.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, I just want this as my little pet. Oh.
No, he want to be free like you.
Okay.
What are these?
Hummingbirds and swifts.
So what do you think is going to be in the hummingbird?
Alien hummingbird.
Oh, look at that. Sword bill.
Whoa.
This bird is hard to find, isn't it?
Yeah. Kingfishers. Oh, Mom. Look at this.
What?
Kingfisher.
Oh, okay.
On the dinosaur book, it says Kingfisher. Kingfishers.
Okay. Cool. Good observation.
Thank you.
Maybe because it says Kingfisher that it might be on this page. Do you need to see a picture again of it? Searching for this bird.
Whatever the heck that is.
This little fellow here.
But it's not the right
Look like
name.
he's sitting on the rock.
I know. I don't
Okay.
think it's on the... Wait, is this the head?
Yep. That's cute. Looks like a chicken. What kind of head? That is weird.
That's not a head.
Uh-oh, I
I don't think that's a head.
That is the head, the feathers. Wow. Interesting.
Hopper.
This
Look,
bird,
toucans and woodpeckers.
this
I
bird
don't
is,
think it's in these
okay,
families,
turn
so
it.
I'll turn the page. Oh, I see. Let's check it out.
So, no, you don't think it's the birds, prey birds?
What's this one? It looks like it a little bit. Can I see the picture again?
That's not it, but yeah, it does look like it.
You do. But maybe that's a penguin.
No.
It looks like a penguin.
African hawk eagle. An African hawk
A
eagle?
golden eagle. More eagles, so we can turn the page.
So you don't think it's in the eagle family either? Oh. Ooh.
What is that?
That looks weird. Ooh,
Look
that's
at
a
that. That
king
looks like a
vulture.
brain.
It's a vulture.
That looks like a brain on his bill.
You think it's a duck or geese
And swans.
and swan?
If it was standing up in the river, I don't think it was. One of them.
This fella is hard to
Oh,
find.
it might be in the penguin family.
No, I don't see it here.
Can I see it again?
You know what? It does look like it's in the penguin family.
It does. Black. It has a black back like penguins and a white tummy. It might be in the penguin family.
Okay.
I wonder if it's this fella here. He looks funny and cute.
Look at that one.
Aww.
Look at him like, you call me? This one. I'm getting ready to fly. Where you going? Didn't I tell you I'm going with you?
Emperor penguins.
Mm-hmm.
Can I tell them something about the emperor penguin?
Okay.
I think that the emperor penguin, the leader has a yellow tummy instead of white.
Mm-hmm.
Look, see? I think that's the leader.
Okay.
They should have a picture. Hey, look, his head's all down like that.
So he in charge, huh?
I think so.
This is a hard fish to find. I mean fish. Oh my God. A hard bird.
What is this?
I hope you guys can see.
That's
I
a
know I'm
heron.
on a whole nother
Stork.
angle here.
But I don't know what that is. I think that's stork. Yeah, wood stork.
Yeah.
Its head looks like wood.
Yeah. That one there.
Oh, maybe it has a head, a head like that, so it can blend in, hide in the trees.
Yeah, that's the
Dad
rocks.
just came over here. a blue-footed booby.
Oh my gosh.
It lives in Galapagos.
Galapagos.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Wait, you going too fast. Is it over here?
No,
Where's the little fella? We can't find this bird.
Oh, look, flamingos, my
Yeah.
favorite. They eat shrimp so they can turn pink.
Okay.
And they have like a little strain bill.
Cranes.
Cranes and relatives.
Very good.
Common crane. It looks funny. It's like, what?
Corn crane.
It's like, huh? What are you talking about?
Wow. Chloe, do
Whatever.
you think we're going to find this bird,
Mm-mm.
Chloe?
No. Look at this. It's a purple. What is this? An ox? What is that?
Wow, it looks like it can be on this page.
Oh, northern lapwing. I've never heard of that one. Oh, look at this one. A long-bearded
Cruelly.
coolie. Thank you.
Wow.
Common red shark. Shark.
Shanked.
Shark. Thanks. I'm like,
That-
shark.
So,
Scale.
oh my gosh.
What's the scale for?
Oh, is more birds? Really? I thought we was like done.
Oh,
Come
look,
on.
look.
Is that it?
Atlantic puffin. I don't think so. Can I see that?
He looks like
I
so
like
many
puffins.
birds.
I know. Like this
I
one,
think
this one,
I
this
found
one,
him, Adriana.
This one.
No. Look at his bill. That's close. That is close. You are right. It's close. This is a hotline. But I found the bird.
You did.
Because look here at the names that we have to look for. Because you already found the cardinal. Okay. Look here. And look on this page. And he is in this vicinity. Remember, he's black and white. But the one that's on this page looks a little different. Can you find it?
Little.
No. Let me help you. Because look for the name. Look for this name.
God, my God, my God, my God, my God.
Your hand was there. You were so hot on it. It's here.
A black. God, what?
We found him. We found him.
Yay!
Mhm.
He's supposed to have a white tummy. He has a white line on his back.
Yeah, that one's well, we don't know because look how he's sitting like a duck. So it's kind of
Look, he's
hard.
sitting like this. Look.
So it's kind of hard.
Can you show everybody?
No.
He
So
looks
it's
funny.
kind of hard to see, but because one clue we had was these names here. Okay? And these are birds of on 7 continents. So this one,
No. Oh, yeah, 7 continents.
so now you need to write this bird is letter what?
B.
So write letter B here. We found him. Yay! Oh, that's very good. This is our who bird is this? State bird.
That's Florida state bird.
So that's Florida state bird. So
And
you
we
know when you
always see it at home in the backyard and the front yard.
Yep.
I remember.
Check
I
out
love
that
mocking
baby.
birds.
But anyway, we're going to end this video. I know it's been long, but I hope you guys enjoyed this journey. Us looking
That's not a robin.
some
wait.
things that we do.
This is a robin.
So
From
yeah.
this one to this one, so it's C.
Been a long day. We're doing a lot of work and we're towards the end of the day. So we're going to finish up this paper and we're going to scroll through that book. And we have another book. Let me show you guys. that fell on the floor. We're going to use this one as well to search for some animals, and we're going to also get some facts about them.
The Great Animal Search.
Yeah, so
And
we're going
so
to...
it's like you're supposed to be searching for animals anyway in that book.
Exactly. But this book, let me show them for those who... This company, a lot of people use this company, Usborn or YouBorn or Us, whatever you want to go. But it gives a little, some little...
Oh, look, a butterfly.
Facts. And we're going to be studying about butterflies soon.
Yay! I want to do butterflies first.
So, yeah. This is a nice little smaller information, something to just add to what you are studying.
Ooh,
You guys
look
can
at all
see
my
that.
animals. Oh, a cheetah. I love cheetahs. And jaguars.
This is nice. Nice,
Is that a
quick,
jaguar?
nice, simple information. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching, and 1,000 roses to you.
Leopards.
One love.
That's a leopard.
You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Mm-hmm.